Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to do the dumbbell bicep curl. So we're going to pick up a couple dumbbells here. And this exercise is fairly simple, but we want to make sure that we're not doing a few different things. So our foot stance is going to be roughly around hip width apart. We're on the floor with our feet, very slight bend in the knees. You want to take a deep breath into the core, brace your abdominal muscles, make sure your glutes are squeezed. You don't want to swing through your lower back. We're gonna have the elbows nice and close to the body. We do this either with the palms facing forwards for a supinated bicep curl, or the hands neutral for a hammer curl. We do the supinated bicep curl. So take a deep breath in, flex through the bicep, squeeze the biceps at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the way down. Deep breath, squeeze. So that's a supinated bicep curl. And we'll look like this. We do what's called a supinating bicep curl. We start in a hammer position and twist forwards like that. The bicep's two main functions: to flex at the elbow and also to rotate the palm inwards like that. You can also do what's called the reverse curl, which you're going to work the forearms a little bit more, and that looks like this. That is how you do the dumbbell bicep curl. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, you can hit that subscribe button below for more content similar to this. See you guys next time.